Fischer's Tower.
Fischer's Tower?
Yes, it was named after a German explorer.
Why you German?
You hear that?
You know this park used to belong to Brazil. Before it was given back to the Kenyan government. See the impalas? You know the stripes of the zebras, they are not the same. It's like human beings' fingerprints, huh?
You see the background?
They're very different.
They're moving. They're crossing now.
Very different. Every zebra has his own mark.
Someone can come and do some picnic here.
Yes.
So, is it okay to stand here or go up on the tower?
No,
Go right here. Oh!
They're called Rock Hyrax. They're called Rock Hyrax.
Look at this, guys.
We can't turn away.
Huh?
We come closer to it.
They're called Rock Hyrax?
Rock Hyrax.
Hyrax.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Come and see this one.
Huh? Oh, he likes sage. They won't run away. Oh, he's there.
can they buy somebody?
Yes, they can.
Oh my goodness, guys. It's called Rock
Hyrax.
Rock Hyrax.
Why is it not running away from people?
They've gotten so used to
Why?
human.
Why is it not running away?
Zimezoea watu.
So guys, can we come right here, Marira? Let's do this and get out of here. Marira. Yeah, let's go. Can you hold this for me, please? The name of the rock?
Fischer star. See, there's another one up there.
Where? Oh yes, he's going up. Oh my goodness. So they live inside the rocks?
They are good climbers.
Oh my goodness, they're like the goats. You know that goats are good climbers. They could literally
Yes.
climb on the
Okay, let's
side.
take the pictures. There we go.
See where it is?
Yeah,
She want to eat that leaves.
yeah. She's eating that leaf.
Yeah.
Zoom in on her.
Where is she?
Right there.
She did empty.
Right there eating the leaf. Right there.
Pale. No, hizi miti mbili green. Katikati pale.
Aki sioni kitu. Na mimi nitoki. Na nini? Sioni kitu.
Ndio hii hapa.
He turned. He's going in.
Wait, she's here. She's gonna bite you.
Oh.
Piga picha tuishie. Nipige picha, mpiga picha zake.
Let me take a picture.
I've already taken you.
Huh?
I already took you pictures.
You did?
Long time ago.
Oh, I need one face for.
Let's go.
Hey, you had a look. Take my friend in the background. God has never ceased to amaze me. Never ceased to amaze me how big He is. The creation, just one of a kind. There's nothing that can be any better. No man can ever think about it. That is look at it. But I'm going to one side, you go.
This is our zone. What are you doing? He's just talking.
Don't! Why you come back over here?
She has a guinea or she has nothing.
So whose sheep are these on the side?
Those are stranger. But goat can run. One day I posted videos on Instagram to see which is number 4. If it's gonna go viral. 10.
Oh, you did it one time?
I'll do it. I'm saying one day.
Oh, one day you'll do it. Oh, so I thought you meant you did it.
Yes. Maybe I could do it. It's up to 4 videos now. It's 4 videos per day on YouTube.
Turn off this. Getting ready to go into this pool. How tall is this? It's short? Ooh. Oh. Huh? Oh, my slippers. Oh, let me give it to her. Huh? I'll give it to Marcy. Marcy. My slippers. Were you gonna help me with mine?
Hmm? No. You still want to film?
Yes.
There are 5.
Huh?
5.
Stay close or 5? Okay. Listen, I'm like, wait. I'm gonna still have this on.
Guys, this thing is extremely awesome. In case you're not here, I don't know where you are, guys. I don't know where you are. Woo. Extremely nice. Woo. I'm living life. You guys, you've been missing a lot. You guys have been missing a lot. Hello guys, how are you? My name is Oni Mawera and I'm just here enjoying life, man. This pool is awesome. It's so cool and hey man.
This reminds me, we have something in Jamaica called Milk River Bath. It's like this. Oh, no.
Get in, dive in.
I wish I could. No, I don't want my hair to get wet. It's not fully. Oh, guys, you're gonna have to try this out. This feels so good.
Outside is cold, but here it's extremely warm.
Yes. Oh my
Natural,
goodness.
natural. Everything here is natural. And then it's milky because of sulfur.
Yeah. Oh, this is so good.
Dorina, swim. You are showering instead of you swimming.
I don't want my hair to get wet. Oh, guys.
Do you still want to go back home?
No. No. Guys, this is the bomb. This reminds me of Milk River bath that we have. Oh my, you know that I think about to die. My camera.
Yes, 28%.
Oh, 28.
You see how deep it is? You see how deep it is? This, guys, you can see only my neck is visible.
This is good. I need a picture, but my phone is in the car, so I'm gonna ask her to take me a picture.
My phone has been left in the car, right?
Because it's raining and I don't want to take the chance. We're having to buy a new phone. We don't got no phone. Oh my goodness, this feels so good.
Let's go this way. It's more warmer.
All day. If I had known.
I told you guys, when you see me rushing you guys, you think I don't want you guys to take pictures. Oh, I knew. So in Jamaica, like, is it a heated pool? It's just a...
No, it's just a natural heated spring. So,
big like this one?
Yeah, it's not as big as this one. But it's a heated spring. Naturally, it just flows and it's heated. There's two of them. There's one in Clarendon and there's one in Kingston.
So in Montego Bay, there's no one?
I don't know if there's one, but those are the two famous places that there is. Guys, you gotta come to this. This is better than Milk River bath in Jamaica. Oh my goodness.
You can see there is a lot of... Actually, right now people have gone off. It's always full, especially in the weekend. It's fully occupied. Guys, this is awesome.
I really don't want to come out. I think this is where I'm staying tonight, guys. I'll be sleeping right here in this. Not moving. And this is all within Hellgate Park, guys. So the same place, this is where this is.
I wouldn't mind coming back here.
I actually feel like cut one of my trip shorts just so I can come back here for a day and go back. Before I leave, I'd love to come back here. Oh yeah, this is the bomb.
Wow.
Take a picture for me? Because I didn't bring my camera. Can you take a picture? Guys, I'm using my camera. My have to get wet.
Kali, it's on.
For you.
You want it?
Yeah, hold on. I gotta remember to step up. So guys, I'm here in this lovely, this is similar to Milk River Bath. So there, they have actually here, they have the steam. that we get this bath
I'm
from?
from Nyandarua. Just above here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, in Nyandarua you have several things like the Aberdare Ranges, famously known for the Mau Mau Revolution.
The what?
The Mau Mau Revolution.
What is that?
It was a revolution that gave Kenya independence. Yeah, it was famous because of Dedan Kimathi. He was a freedom fighter, and they used to do the guerrilla.
Guerrilla warfare.
The guerrilla warfare.
Which they learned from Jamaica.
Yeah, you learned that from Jamaica.
Huh?
Yeah, you learned that from Jamaica.
No, you guys learned it from when we did.
No. In fact, you guys took it from Kenya because. What? You got.
Oh, Fischer. They want
sauce. So, can I help you?
Huh?
Can I help you in a card?
Yeah,
you can trust me. You can trust me. So can I? Yeah.
So my thing is, so Jamaica is very influential. We're a very little country, but we pack a big punch.
Yeah.
So we have always been helping to fight for Africa.
For Africa.
Even when Africa don't fight for us.
Sure, for real.
You know, because we come back, but we're treated as outsiders.
Outsiders.
We're never, no one ever.
Welcome back home.
Yes, nobody ever sees us we coming back home.
Yeah.
Today I was called a Muzungu at the front gate. Straight out Muzungu. But what they don't know is we were sold. We didn't volunteer and go. So if anything, I feel like we are owed more like an apology than anything else. You know, but not to be coming back and being called Muzungu. Because Muzungu is a derogatory term.
For real.
So it hurts.
Yeah, and I think the slave trade was to some extent our mistake.
Yeah, because you guys sold us.
We sold you to the elite, to the rest.
Yeah.
But So are you a Kenyan? No,
I'm not. I'm a Jamaican.
You're Jamaican? Oh, but I love that. What does it mean exactly? What does it mean exactly?
It's not good. It's not good.
Okay, what's the meaning? I'm interested in the meaning of the word.
I can't explain it to you.
You can just explain that.
No, I can't. It's not.
You can't explain it to me.
No, it's not because it's not a translatable into English.
She cannot explain.
So.
Ni kama tu.
So we are shooting content. Yeah. So karibuni sana nyumbani. We love guests.
Yeah.
So what do you love about Kenya?
Well, so far, prior to today, it was everything. You know, I was warmly welcomed coming here. I have been watching content with Ayamara. That's how I came here. Because of him. So that's how I end up coming into Kenya. It has been on my bucket list to come to Africa. But it stays on, it's just that the screen goes black. So let me ask you a question. What do you know about Jamaicans?
Honestly speaking, what made me know Jamaica was a musician by the name Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Yeah. I love his music. Don't worry
about a thing.
Every little thing
is gonna be alright.
Yeah. So in Kenya, we also believe in not having worries. We also believe in living in the moment because it is only then that you can achieve. You must be happy in order to achieve.
Yeah. So let me ask you a question. If you have a chance to change anything in Kenya, what would you tell the Kenyan government in regards to relationship with Jamaicans? With Jamaicans that are trying to come back home?
So I'll tell the Kenyan government that Kenya and Jamaica have a very close history, dating back in the 1960.
They gave you're a historian. She's from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Don't listen to him, you know.
Yeah, so they are our brothers, they are our sisters. In fact, when I interacted with her first, I thought she was a Kenyan. Yeah, because the skin complexion is almost the same.
Yeah.
So we just can't discriminate them. Yeah, we had Marcus Garvey was from your country.
Yes,
Yeah,
he
and
helped.
he wrote a lot of historical
Books and
books
help to repatriate us back to Africa.
to Africa. Yeah. And in fact, I don't know what happened, but they were planning on bringing African Americans back to home.
Yes,
Yeah,
they
so-
did the Black Star liner.
Yeah.
And they end up derailing him basically.
Yeah.
And incarcerating him. He just got pardoned under Biden
Sure.
posthumously after all these years.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have always seen it as coming home.
Yeah.
It's just sometimes when we walk into their countries like Kenya that welcome us home,
Yeah.
but Kenya is treating us everywhere I go since I've been here. I've been reminded that I'm a Muzungu.
You're a Muzungu.
Yeah,
Even in spite of your skin complexion.
yeah. They said, "Oh, you're light, so you're Muzungu."
Well, I also need to be called a Muzungu because my complexion and yours are almost the same.
Yes.
Yeah. So I tell the Kenyan government just to rectify a little bit of interaction with the outside world.
Yeah.
And to my Kenyans, let us be welcoming to our brothers and sisters from the Caribbean, because
Exactly.
they are one of us, and we are the ones who sold them to the Caribbean. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. That is what I would say.
Yeah. They don't realize that.
Yeah, they don't realize.
They don't realize that.
You can go ahead.
slavery-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me Saki, I'm not interested. I'm not. So next.
It's so. I know in Kenya, we're not allowed to buy land if we choose to in our name.
Yeah.
Do you think that there should be an exception to the rule
Yeah,
when
I
it
think,
comes to people that were sold?
I think there shouldn't be an exception in the first place, because we are citizens of the world. We are not just citizens of a particular nation.
Yes.
And what the Europeans did was to demarcate nations, to separate us.
Yes.
Because they know divided we are weak, united we are strong. So our brothers and sisters from Jamaica should be free to buy land anywhere in the world,
Exactly.
because we are one. If you cut my arm and I cut your arm,
We bleed the same
we
blood.
breathe the same blood. Yeah, so there shouldn't be an exclusion for owning land in Kenya,
Yeah.
or owning any other property in Kenya. Yeah. So
Well,
Yeah.
I hope and I pray that one day they will really welcome us back home.
yeah, I'm also a leader. I also lead in the university, and in the future, I'm planning to join the national politics. So
Okay.
we are going to right the wrongs.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think the first part of right and wrong is by accepting what you did wrong
Exactly.
and
that
not
was
try to
straight
band-aid.
Yeah. Because in Mombasa is also known for
Yeah.
slave trade.
Kenya kimakosa. Wait.
Hey. I'm in a serious interview.
No. We are in a serious conversation. Are we?
Yeah.
So nani?
Wait.
Sana na yeye like
Sawa. Sasa sini interview. Sasa na record si wote. No, wanaume kuja.
like
Can he start?
they are Kenyans, of course. You know. Yeah. So where were we?
You were talking about Mombasa.
Mombasa. Mombasa is known for slave trade. Yeah. In 1800 and 1880s, 1890s, we had mass exportations of slaves.
Yeah.
So and we know, like from historical evidences, we have some Kamba dialects in the Caribbean.
Yeah,
So
because our patois
yeah.
is made of Swahili.
Exactly.
There's Swahili
Yeah.
mixture in there,
Yeah.
which is from this region.
Yeah.
So we have Swahili, we have English, we have Spanish, we have German. That's all intertwined to become what we call patois. Yeah.
And we love you. We love you because you are our brand. And if we could go back in time, I would tell my ancestors not to say fellow Africans. Because we would be ahead in terms of development.
Yes,
Because,
we would.
You know, one thing that Africans were subjected to when they went to the West was slave labor. They had to work for more than 12 hours in the European farms. And so if that labor could have been in Africa, because one thing should be noted that we only exported, we only sold the strong ones, the intelligent ones.
Yeah.
In fact, in history, there was some black man who discovered the calculators. He could do mathematics in his head. So very complex mathematics.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
And just
Africa
like Egypt is really the real Egyptians are like the Sudanese.
Exactly.
They're really
the
Sudanese.
Kemet.
Yes, the Kemet.
Yeah. So when we sold our brothers and sisters, we sold labor, we sold intellect, and I think we sold our future to the euro. Yeah, because the level of the freed wealth in the US mostly is concentrated in the blacks. So Africa could have been much further ahead. Yeah.
Well, it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you for expressing yourself. Thank you for knowing and understanding our history and knowing what really happened. So yeah.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
I enjoyed your time.
Yes, I did.
I wish we have these discussions and more.
Yes.
In the future.
Yes.
Because I love Africa.
Yeah.
Is the business.
Yes.
And we are one. We are the citizens
Of the world. Because if Africa is not able to stay alive, the world is going to die. Yes.
Yeah, even the ancient Africans, the ancient people, regarded Africa to being as a womb.
Yes.
Yeah. The cradle of humankind. Yeah.
It is because only a black woman can reproduce.
Yeah, exactly.
Every DNA.
Yeah.
Every other race.
And
only a black woman.
there's another interesting thing that a black and a black can produce a white.
Yes.
But a white and a white can never produce
A black.
Yeah, so we can never be duplicated anywhere in the world.
Exactly.
We are very original.
We are very original. We are very original. Yeah, and I think whatever we have right now are just propagandas, so that we can see ourselves through the lens of we are weak,
inferior.
Yeah, we are inferior. We cannot achieve anything by ourselves.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah.
But you have to know that I tell every person that I encounter that they're a whole king and a whole queen, and stand in that.
Yeah. A whole queen and a whole king.
Yeah, exactly. You're a whole king. I'm a whole queen. Yeah.
I love that. Beautiful. Beauty plus brains.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so very much for taking the time to talk to me.
Yeah.
All right? All right, it was a pleasure.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Jamaica.
Yeah. I live in... All right, guys, so I am getting ready to leave this wonderful spot. It's currently, don't even know what time it is, but this is Milk River Bath. This is equivalent to Milk River Bath. So I'm leaving now. Yes, I did. Hey guys, we're all done. Ooh. Ooh. See the steam? And this is what I'm leaving behind. We're running in the rain in Kenya!